Are you struggling to scale your Facebook ads? In fact, are you struggling to scale your e-commerce brand in general? Well, that is all about to change. I'm going to show you in this video high-level strategies that are going to completely transform the performance you're getting from your ads. This is not some media buying hack that's going to get you a better ROAS one week and then drop off the next week. These are business level moves you can make that are going to make your brand more profitable using your Facebook ads. So there's 5 steps to this. I implement this on every account I ever take over, and almost always you'll see an improvement in performance because we're having business level strategy, and nothing you can do in an ad account can ever compete with that. Okay, so let's jump into the video and I hope you enjoy it. The tactics I'm about to show you will allow you to scale your brand in the next 90 days. Why am I so confident? Well, I've used these same methods to scale multiple accounts in a 90-day window. So how do you do this? Well, step 1 is to identify the top revenue generating products for your brand. The reason for that is market demand. Ads showing popular products are going to get more engagement, and directing traffic to them is going to increase conversion rates. So rather than advertising random stuff and sending people to your homepage or bestsellers page, advertise your top products and send people to the actual locations of those products. And that's how you're going to get more ROI. Reason 2 is sales dominance. 80% of your business was built on these products. So if you sell more of them, you're going to proportionally grow your other product offering by using a capture all campaign. And then reason number 3 is return on investment. These products are proven to scale given that they're 80% of your business already. And that means they have the best chance of achieving a positive ROI from your advertising dollars. The goal of advertising is to acquire customers. So if we can acquire them on positive ROI, we can then maximize the value from them over the course of their interactions with our business. How you're going to do this? Well, you're going to go into Shopify and you're going to pull a simple report that is looking at sales. You're then going to filter your sales from highest to lowest, and then you can extract the top products. So you want to log the products bringing in 80% of your revenue and advertise only these products. All your other products can just be put into capture all DPA campaigns and things, but only you're going to be advertising the products that fit in this top 80% revenue generating pool. Step number 2 is going to be to analyze your existing top creatives. You want to be able to repeat messaging that already resonates. So if we establish what messaging angles and hooks are used in your top creatives, we can then recycle them in new creatives and increase our chances of success. You also want to use proven creative formats. So accounts have often a creative format bias. Is the majority of their creative videos? Is it images? Is there styles within that? Are they more UGC? Are they more high production? When you find those creative format biases in your top ads, you can then double down on that because you know that is what's working for your account. And at a later date, you can expand the different creative formats. You also want to use audience insights. So creative does the targeting these days, and you want to see where your ad spend is going and use that to make adjustments when designing your new creative. So for example, you can break down by age or gender, and you can look at where the majority of your spend is going. You can see in this example, the majority of the spend is going to the age 35 to 64, okay? This one, we're breaking down by placements, is another valuable thing to do. And you can see where your spend is going in terms of placements. So you can see the spend is mainly going to the feed in this example. How do you use this stuff? Well, for example, if the highest spend is on age 25 to 34, but spend is low on reels or stories for the same account where this demographic hangs out, then you need to make creative that is more suited to these placements because that's where your audience are hanging out. You also want to compare your analytics and use them properly. So if your highest spend is on age 25 to 34 in the platform, but your Google Analytics or whatever analytics tool you're doing for looking at actual conversions on your website is suggesting that age 55 plus convert much better, rather than trying to target that age range on the platform and for spend, you want to be making creative that resonates better with the age 55 plus demographic. They're not looking for TikTok style videos. They're maybe looking for more long form, or they're looking for people in those creatives, images and videos that represent them. The people, the models are going to be a similar age to them. Step number 3 is going to be launching a new campaign. And this is the campaign structure you're going to use. It's going to be one CBO campaign You're going to have a winners ad set where you're going to put post IDs of your top ads. And then you're going to have 2 dynamic creative ad sets, testing creatives, and they're always going to be running. Every time you have a new one, you're going to start another one and keep those tests continuously going. The first thing you want to do in this new campaign is transfer all your best performing ads from your account into the winners ad set using their post IDs. Why are we doing this? Well, the cream rises to the top. Only the best of the best from your top ads will get spent. So your true top ads emerge, not ones that are just coasting along. When they're pitted up against each other, what are the actual top ads when they're having to compete in the same environment? Then finally, you're going to clean up the ad comments on these top ads. You want to hide and delete negative comments, as some people read the comments and it affects their decision to buy. You will almost always see an instant improvement by doing this if you've never been auditing your comments. Step number 4 is new strategic ads. You want to prepare new ads and you're going to create them with proven messaging, popular formats, and specific adaptations to reach the desired audience. Everything I was showing you before. You then want to launch these new ads in the CBO, so creatives have to earn spend, and the algorithm will only direct spend if the new ads are better than the current best ads sitting in that winner's ad set. The major benefit of doing your testing this way is less waste. Less budget is wasted testing stuff that doesn't work. You'll also benefit from autonomous scaling. A winning test doesn't have to wait for us to manually scale it. It will be directed as much budget as is available from the main campaign because it's in a CBO campaign. And then finally, step 5 is going to be to pause your old campaigns. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. You want to gradually pause your old ads, ad sets, and campaigns as and when each level stops performing. And don't worry if you're not seeing them instantly beat your current campaigns. You have to be aware of machine learning with Meta. Even bad campaigns have lots of data behind them and won't necessarily be beaten straight away by a better structure. So maintain performance and transition gradually. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that and you took massive value from it. Definitely go give this a try. I really stand by it. And yeah, I will see you in another video very, very soon.